Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting your timeline ready and choosing captions. This ensures sync and legibility. Import your clip, confirm sequence settings, match source so motion and timing remain accurate, and then open the captions or speech-to-text panel. Once done, select the caption format. Open captions are easiest for direct editing because they let you style text visually. Make sure to save a project copy before big changes. This prevents accidental overwrites and keeps your original media intact. You now generate or create captions and refine them for accuracy and pacing. If you use speech-to-text, check each line and correct misheard words. If manual, add a new caption track and type short phrases for readability. Trim caption and /out points so lines match spoken words precisely, and split long sentences to prevent on-screen clutter. Then, style the text. Choose a legible font and size, add a subtle background box, and position within the safe title area to keep viewers focused. You finish by exporting correctly and verifying results so viewers get accurate subtitles. Choose export settings to burn captions into video or export a separate SRT sidecar if platform supports it. This preserves editable text. Once exported, test on the intended platform to confirm timing and encoding. If captions are off, relink media and confirm sequence frame rate matches source. If problems persist, rerun speech-to-text for new timestamps or adjust caption clip, timing manually to fix drift and alignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.